In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bluehost name servers in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a new site or migrating an existing one, understanding how to manage your domain's name servers is crucial. They act like digital signposts, guiding internet traffic to your website. And today I'll walk you through every step you'll need to follow on the Bluehost platform. Let's start by heading over to the Bluehost website. You'll find it at www.bluehost.com. Once there, you'll notice a login button on the top right corner of the home page. Clicking this will bring you to the login page where you're required to enter your credentials. This is the moment to pull out your username and password. Don't rush, make sure you type in your details correctly to avoid any pesky access issues. After inputting your details, tap on the login button, which should grant you access to your Bluehost account. This is where the magic begins. Right off the bat, you'll see several options, but for our purpose, let's navigate to My Account. Upon entering your account, it's time to find your domain. Look for and click on the domain link, which should be easily visible. Selecting your domain will take you to its management section. It's a bit like steering a ship. You're now in control of where to direct your website's traffic. Next, we're going to gear towards something called Advanced Tools. Think of these tools as your treasure chest, filled with all the features you need to customize your site's navigation. Click on the Advanced Tools option for the domain you're working with. Once you've arrived at the Advanced Tools section, you'll find a button labeled Manage. This button is your gateway to adjusting your domain's core settings, including its name servers. Go ahead and click on Manage to proceed. Following this, a prompt with a Continue button may appear. This is Bluehost's way of confirming your actions, so go ahead and click Continue. Now we're getting to the heart of the matter, the name server settings. This is where you'll tell the internet where your website lives. Look for the name server option and click on it. This is your cue to enter or update your name servers. Each website has unique name server addresses, so ensure you've got yours ready. Finally, after you've entered the correct name server details, it's time to save. Look for the Save option and give it a click. This action commits your changes to the digital universe, directing any traffic for your domain to the right server where your website is hosted. And just like that, you've updated your name servers on Bluehost. It's a simple process, but one that holds significant importance in the world of web hosting and domain management. Remember, these changes might take a little while to propagate across the internet, typically a few hours, but it can take up to 48 hours. So give it some time, and soon your updates will fully take effect. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Always ensure that the name servers you're entering are correct. A small typo could send your visitors off into the vast emptiness of cyberspace instead of bringing them to your website. And if you ever feel lost or unsure, don't hesitate to reach out to Bluehost's support team. They're there to help you navigate through any hiccups along the way. That's all for today's tutorial on adding Bluehost name servers. Whether you're a seasoned webmaster or a newcomer to the digital scene, handling name servers is a skill you'll find invaluable. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough makes your web hosting experience a bit smoother. Stay tuned for more how-tos and tips to elevate your online presence.